Hi everyone, thank you so much for giving us time and thank you to everyone na pumunta dito ngayon. Do you want to say thank you? But I hope you feel something about this movie and I hope you spread the word. And yeah, I want to thank Direct Lemuel, to my co-actors also, and of course to JM, thank you so much. And Lydia, thank you. This is a wonderful experience. And to our producers, maraming salamat po. Kailangan natin ng mga ganitong pelikula na maging proud tayo ng sarili nating kultura. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. And yeah, thank you.
Sige! Hello! Evening, sana okay ba kayo? Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And sana yun nga, sabi ng Direct Lem, spread niyo yung word sa social media, sa Feb 12 na po. And yun, gusto ko lang pasalamat sa inyo lahat sa panonood nyo, sa pagsuporta, sa cast, sa buong cast, beauty, salamat. Direct Lem, salamat po. Sa producers namin, salamat po na marami sa inyo. And yun lang po. Thank you so much. Good time.